delicious, healthy and filling overnight oatmeal. It's a must try for every good food lovers. Let's get it started. Those are the apples I'll be using. I've diced it. What I have here is the mango I'll be using. I just need to peel the back so that I'll be able to remove the seed in the middle. All right, what I need from this mango is just the flesh. That's what I'm cutting now. After cutting it, I'm just going to dice it, and this is what I have. What I'm going to use now is pears. If you have this, add it to it. You're gonna love it. It's so juicy and tender. Remove the seed and dice it. I have red and green grapes. If you have only one grape color, doesn't matter, but if you have both, you're going to love the color it's going to give you. All right, so I'm just going to keep them aside. I have my blackberries and I also have banana here. I'm just going to peel the banana and I will slice it. This is how I'm going to slice it, and I'm going to keep it for later use. What we have here, lovelies, it's my yogurt I'll be using today. I'm using Greek yogurt. This is 100% natural and it is very low in fat. I have just 2% from fat from this 1 kilogram of Greek yogurt I'll be using. I mixed it well and I'm going to add honey into it. I have this original honey as well, and I'm just going to add 2 tablespoonfuls of honey into the 1 kilogram of Greek yogurt. And it's now very important to mix it thoroughly. All right, take your time to do this and mix it very well. You're going to love the color. It will come out a bit golden yogurt. That's what I'm going to call this. Now let's move on. Now get your jars. Are you going to use glass? Are you going to use plastic? It doesn't matter. Start with the yogurt and honey. That's our grapes. I'm going to start with the red one, do the topping with it, get the diced apples, continue with the topping with this, with the apples. And what I have here, lovelies, is my muesli. This muesli is loaded with raisins, with some fruits, dried fruits in it, with some nuts. That's how I bought it. It's very filling. Muesli is healthy and filling, and I'll be adding some banana on top of the muesli. You know, banana is very, very moist. That is very good. And I'm just going to continue with the topping with some yogurt and oats. The muesli is going to start to take the moist from those fruits and yogurt, and I continue with the topping with the apples. It's now time to add some blackberries on top of it, and with some diced mangoes, and I did different toppings at the end. This one I ended with some cornflakes and some honey and yogurt at the head. This very one, you can see this one, the end topping is just with yogurt and blackberry. This one I ended it with grapes. Just be creative. All right, and then cover and refrigerate till the next then you can be taking this to work for your lunch. Keep it in the fridge, it will last, okay? And if you take it to work or you take it to school, you're gonna thank me later. It is super filling. Start your day with this and thank me later. Bye bye.